Welcome to J&J Auto Wrecking's engine test for GAHN273. This is a 2010 Honda Civic. There's a little bit of belt squeal. There's the belt though. Nice and clean oil. We do offer extended warranties, 1 year and lifetime with labor options. Please ask your salesperson for details. You see this vehicle has 86,376 miles on it. Revs up nice and smooth. Thanks again for watching. This has been J&J Auto Wrecking's engine test for GAHN273. And one other thing I did notice that they regularly got their wheels, their oil changed and their tires rotated at Conrad's, and it looks like it was well within spec, which is always a good sign. Thank you and have a nice day.